Hey everyone, welcome back to HiTop Fun. And today we'll be baking a cake using Play-doh Kitchen Creations. Let's see what we have in the box. And today we'll be using the colors pink, white, blue, and yellow. I thought it'd be a lot of fun to mix in pink and white together. Perfect, now it's ready to go into the oven. Okay guys, I think it's time to put the batter in the oven. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, what's going on here? We didn't know you guys were making a cake. Yeah, we see from up above. Can we join you guys? Well, of course you can.
This is so exciting.
High five. Okay, so how can we help? Well, Gekko, we just finished putting the batter into the pan. Now it's ready to go into the oven. Oh, great, that's awesome. Okay, let's make room. Okay, I'll get the door for you. Oh, be very careful there, Gekko. Ta-da! I told you I'd do it. Okay, Owlette, it's your turn.
I'm ready.
Okay, be very careful. Okay, let's close the door and watch her bake. Well, guys, it looks like it's done. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. That looks great. Oh, man, that looks awesome. Take a look at that. Oh, nice colors there. I like the colors on the cake. Well, thanks, Gekko. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, now it's time to decorate the cake.
That's my favorite part.
Are you guys ready to have some fun? All right. You ready, Gekko? Yeah. You ready, Owlette?
I'm ready.
We're going to be using the white Play-Doh to decorate our cake. Okay, let's decorate the cake. Alright guys, what do you think?
I love it.
I think that looks great. Okay, Owlette, now which decorations do you want to put on?
I'm going for the orange butterfly. Hey guys, how does it look?
I think it looks great, Owlette. Good job. What about you, Gekko? I think I'm going to go for the blue cupcake. Good choice. Go for it. I think that looks fantastic, Gekko. Good job. What do you guys think out there? That's what I thought. I think they're doing a great job, aren't they? Okay, Owlette and Gekko, we have two more decorations. We have the flower and we have the leaf. Who wants the flower?
I do.
Great job, Owlette. Thank you for your help. Okay, Gekko, we just have one more left, and I think we're gonna put that on top of the cake. Would you like to give it a shot? Yeah, I'll do it. Man, that was so much fun. Well, I'm glad you guys had a good time decorating it. So did we. I'm so glad you guys stopped by today. It sure was a huge help having you guys around. And so much fun too. Would you guys like to take a piece of cake home?
Sure.
And that'd be great. Okay, well I might need a little help, guys. Can you guys find us a nice table to cut the cake on? Yeah, of course we can. Wow, that was amazing, guys. You did really good. Whoa. I think Catboy had the same problem the other day. I'm just not sure if I can see.
That was mighty generous of you.
Well, we want to thank everybody for inviting us over. And we all hope you at home had a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.